Today, I'm going to turn this giant catfish into the biggest winter feast in our village. Look at the size of this catch. Tonight will be a feast. Time to get cooking. Time to get you cleaned up. Looking good, big fella. Time for the feast to begin. Amazing aroma already. Welcome to this beautiful winter wonderland. It's so peaceful here, you can almost feel the cozy atmosphere. Almost ready. Just need to get everything set up first. The feast is almost ready. Come, let's gather. Almost ready. Oh, heavy, heavy. Finally. Perfect. Wow, this looks incredible. Let's dig in. The feast is ready. Welcome to our winter celebration. If you enjoyed this giant winter village feast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor cooking adventures.